First thing you want to do is start slicing your watermelon up like so. And we're going to use everything. So you don't want this green stuff here on your watermelon. So what you can do is get you like a potato peeler and just start skinning that stuff off of there. So skinning the green stuff off. Trying to dig too hard on some of it. You gotta press that hard, I guess, and just lightly rub it. I'm not gonna sit and make y'all watch while I get all that peeled off of there. Once you have your rind all peeled, go ahead and start slicing it up, putting it in there with your slices of watermelon. Like so. And now we're going to our bullet. First I have to get my stove. I have something cooking in just a moment. Okay, I'm back now. We want to get our bullet ready. Our watermelon. Remember, the soft stuff goes at the bottom. I think I'll wait to put the ginger in there. It doesn't actually need the ginger. It really just calls for the watermelon and the lemon. And since we don't know exactly how much this is going to make, we're not going to try to fill the glass up all the way just yet. We can come back with more. Put the soft stuff at the bottom and the hard stuff at the top. Just mash down in there. Pour our top on. Make sure it's on good so we don't have any leaks. Make sure you guys can still see me. And get focused on there a little more there. Alright. They got holes right here where you can line it up so there's no guessing on where to stick the bullet in it. But it also has a feature where you can lock it in place and you don't have to keep pulsing it like that. You can just push it in. And I think that's pretty good. Oh, look at that. Let me bring that a little bit closer for you guys. That's nice, good, and chopped up. Let's back up a little bit so I can get you guys a better view since I'm close to the camera. See that there? Nice and pulpy. Now remember, That's just the watermelon part. We still have to add a half of lemon. Put the lid on good. Let's go back to our bullet. And voila. Now, if you're like me, you're going to want to make a few days of it. So if you have some mason jars, you can store it in and throw it in the fridge until you're ready to eat. Drink, I'm sorry. Look at that, see, no pulp whatsoever. It's all good stuff there. There's some good stuff there. Good grief. And put it up for storage. And that concludes this video of the man's Viagra. If you like this video, like I said, YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. And always, thanks for watching. And remember, if you like, you can always filter some of that pulp off. If you're a filter of your choice, cheesecloth for work is good too. Got the point a little too fast there. And after you finish putting them inside your mason jars, you can store them inside your refrigerator. Give them a shake every now and then for when you want to drink them. I myself like the pulp in them. You can filter it if you want to. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll show you on my next video what I do with the ginger, with the man's Viagra, and also what I make with the blueberries.